Isn't the Rodecaster cardioid dynamic broadcast microphone a better pair for the Rodecaster Pro? DJ Z, were you born? Did you fall straight out of heaven to ask me that question? Because I would love to show you my Rodecaster, my Procaster. Are you ready? I got it right here. All right, this is my actual favorite microphone of all time. I'm gonna switch off this mic and switch over to that one, okay? Did you fall straight out of heaven, DJ? This is it. This is the Rode Procaster microphone. This is the one I use for my podcast each and every day, and it is customized to pair up with this mixer. You're absolutely right, and it sounds unbelievably good, as you can tell. It is my go-to mic for all of my most professional and high-end productions, and as you can hear, it has a full sound. It sounds absolutely amazing. I mean, do you hear it? Oh, it's so good. I love this beefy, noisy sound that this microphone provides. Okay, so this is the Rode Procaster broadcast microphone. And so this microphone, it pairs perfectly, and I've got tutorial videos on this I've uploaded here to Amazon. It pairs perfectly with the Rodecaster Pro mixer, and here's what I mean. This isn't like a wine pairing or something where it's like my opinion that these work together. They're literally programmed to work together. So here's what I mean by that. Do you guys think this microphone sounds good? So I'm gonna select channel 1, which is this microphone. Let me zoom in so you guys can follow along with me. Here we go. And as you can see, when you click microphone on this mixer, the Rodecaster Pro mixer, I'm sorry the camera's so bouncy. Rode Procaster, the microphone I've got right now, is built into the mixer. So it optimizes for this microphone automatically. So good, right? Oh, so let me show you the difference between having the processing on and having the processing off. So right now the processing is on. It's the full beefy sound, okay? Here's the way it sounds with the processing off. This is processing off. Hi, my name is Andrew Wall, aka Awall, and you're listening to the Rode Procaster broadcast microphone with processing off. Now, let me turn processing on. Yes, here I am with the processing on. Sick, right? Processing on. So as you can tell, this mixer just does amazing things for your voice. Let me just show you the effects. So I just had this turned down. So the effects exciter. So the exciter, as you can hear, is something that like makes a huge difference. So the exciter all the way down, it doesn't sound anywhere near as good, right, with this mixer. But if you turn this exciter up, this filter is just like freaking magic. Let me just turn it up and you're gonna be like, what? And let me just I'm gonna turn it up like to 60 here and like 70 even. Just listen to the way it sounds when I turn this thing up even to 70. Do you just hear how like exciting the microphone sounds? It's literally makes the audio just sound way more exciting. Do you hear me right now? Like all of a sudden, boom, it gets crystal clear. It gets freaking amazing as soon as you turn that exciter filter on. Really awesome, right? This is the Rode Procaster broadcast microphone when you pair it with the Rodecaster Pro mixer. And so this combination is made in heaven. And so that's what creates this incredible sound that you're listening to right now. In fact, let me bump up the oral exciter even more and just crank it up to like 70 and see what you guys think about that. Is that too much? Is this too much? Or does this just sound great? Does that sound good? I mean, holy moly, the higher and higher I crank up that exciter, just the better and better this thing sounds. So there you go.